Your lesson essential question today is, how do characters change throughout a story? So we're going to be focusing on the characters and how they change throughout a story. We're really going to be looking at the characters' feelings. So did they change the way they feel or how they act? So we talked about how every story has characters, setting, and plot. We know the characters respond to a problem to create the plot. Well, those characters normally change as they react to the problem throughout the story. So they really grow, maybe not physically, but maybe emotionally, or maybe they get more mature, they change their opinions. So, as we're reading, we're looking for who the story's about, where the story takes place. We look for the problem through the character's thoughts, through the character's words, through their feelings, and through their actions. In the end, we really look for the solution. How did the characters come to solve the problem? So first we identify the characters and the setting. We did that yesterday with the lion and the mouse. And then we identify the problem. So we know that first the mouse was trapped, and he solves his problem by telling the lion that he'll repay the favor one day. Well, then the lion comes to a problem, right? Then we identify how the characters act and react throughout the story. So how did the mouse solve his problem? And then how was the lion's problem solved in the end? Now we're going to be looking at how the characters change throughout the story, and then what causes the characters to change. So I know that the lion felt a specific way about the mouse at the beginning, but in the end I think he changes his mind. We're going to reread the story today, and we're going to talk about how the lion changes.